If you're brand new to Python and don't know where to start, this video is going to walk you through the basics in the simplest way possible. No fluff, no overwhelm, just the essentials you need to begin your Python journey. Python is one of the easiest programming languages for beginners. It's used for websites, apps, automation, data science, AI, and so much more. The best part is that the syntax is simple, readable, and beginner-friendly, which makes it perfect if you're just getting started. Once Python is installed, open the Python shell or any code editor. Type this line, print, hello Python, press enter, and you've officially written your first Python program. This simple command prints text to the screen and is a perfect way to confirm everything is working. Before you dive deeper, here are the 3 basics every beginner should understand. Number 1, variables. Variables store information. For example, name equals Mary, age equals 25. Number 2, input and output. You can ask the user for information. Name equals input. What is your name? Print, hello, plus name. Number 3, if statements. These let your program make decisions. If age greater than 18. Print, you are an adult. These 3 concepts are the foundation of everything you'll learn next. After this, the next steps are learning loops, functions, lists, and dictionaries. These are the building blocks that help you create real projects. Now that your first program works, let's make it a little more fun by adding user input. This lets your program interact with the person using it. In your file, type this line under your print statement. Name equals input. What is your name? Then add print, nice to meet you, plus name. Save the file, run it again, and now your program will ask for your name and respond. This is where Python starts to feel exciting. Let's take it one step further by adding a tiny bit of logic. Under your code, type age equals an input, how old are you? Then add, if age greater than or equal to 18, print, you're an adult. Else, print, you're still a young coder. This shows you how Python makes decisions based on what the user enters. You've now created a real Python program that takes input, responds, and makes decisions. This is the foundation of everything you'll build in the future. Games, apps, automation, and more. Free Python resources, pythonskillbooks.com. If you want more beginner-friendly guides you can download, you can get all my free Python resources at pythonskillbooks.com. Keep practicing. You're already ahead of most beginners. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python videos.